Kaco New Energy presents two new string inverters for complex solar roofs. Just two interesting figures, 200% oversizing and 99% efficiency. Let's have a look. Hello and welcome to the Intersolar 2024 here in Munich. We are right now at the booth from Kaco New Energy, and with us is Kaco. He works as technical sales engineer at Kaco.
Right.
Hi Momo.
Hi, how are you?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Momo,
Yes.
What innovations do you present this year?
This product is the new version of the Kaco Blue Planet inverter that exists in two power classes, 100 kilowatts and 125 kilowatt. And with really take into consideration not only the customer needs, but also what I would call cyber security concerns, because it's a very big topic for today, right? You need an inverter that transmits data so that your personal data is really secure, and this product is built based on European norms that has to do with not only cyber security but also taking into consideration the decarbonization of the supply chain. So in essence, it is a product that is produced in a supply chain that meets real concerns of our customers. And like I said, it exists in two power class, and it is German-made product, made in Europe, can be connected directly to the 400 volt, and it is ready to go.
What are the difficulties to produce or to manufacture such an inverter made in Germany that size?
It is not only to push power to the grid or supply load power to the customer, but what will you do with the data, right? So the product, there were challenges that we need to fulfill. For example, securing the data from the inverter so that hackers cannot go. So in fact, as a Siemens company, it's a matter of must that our product meets certain cybersecurity standards, right? So it was a challenge, but as a German manufacturer based in Europe, we are up to the task. So we sending a product in the market that takes into consideration not only the customer needs, but also be sure that the product is safe in terms of data security, for example.
What distinguishes your inverter from the other ones?
It's the first product made in Germany with this power class, right? And another thing that differentiates this product is the fact that it comes with various options. For example, for rooftop applications, it's important to have arc fault detection, and this is included in the product. Another feature of this product is that you can oversize it up to 200%, right? This is really give flexibility to the customers. Additionally, you can daisy chain these inverters into two. In other words, you will have a total of 250 kilowatts, right? So you can literally connect two inverters in daisy chain, and it has 10 MPPTs, giving you much more flexibility. And then safety is a big concern, right? So we have SPDs built into this product that are actually removable, right? So you can have a product that you can install in an environment that is prone to lightning strikes. So this product will not get damaged. The worst case that can happen is the SPD. So you can easily replace it and maximize your operation.
Thank you for this interesting insights. This is brand new, this device, or is it already available, or when?
As we speak, the product can be ordered from Kaco. It's ready to go. Like I said, you can get it from your distributors. And additionally, it has all the European standards. That's why the product is ready to go. You can get it right away. Order it from Kaco now or go to your distributors and you will get it.
Yeah. And what certification do you have already?
We have most of the European standards. For example, EN 5549 is ready to go. Is the most standard. 62109 These are all standards that are available and ready to go.
Can you maybe give us a few more forecast outlook on what you're working the next years maybe?
Well, I don't want to release a lot of information, but however, right in the corner there, we have a hybrid inverter, and Kaco has developed its own smart portal. Let's call it the Blue Planet Smart Cloud. It is ready to go with this product, but the next phase will be the integration of this product into that platform so that the customers can receive or monitor their plants using the smart cloud. Additionally, like I said, I don't want to release more information, but Kaco is working on high power classes as well.
Thank you very much, Momo, for this interesting insights. Yes. Good luck, good fair trade for you. And who now wants to get more information about the new devices and Kaco as a company, please visit the website below.